everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody that's out there that celebrates Thanksgiving. We are actually having a morning Thanksgiving because Mr. Benson works nights. So, in the midst of my cooking, I am going to be making some chive garlic butter, because I grew some chives, and if you guys watch my harvest video, I harvested them a couple of days ago, like 2 days ago. So I put them in the refrigerator, wrapped them up in some paper towel, and I put them in the refrigerator, and now I've soaked them in water so they're all ready to go. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up all the chives. Now, chopping up all the chives, you can put them any type of way that you want them chopped. I'm going to chop them kind of like a rough chop, pretty fine, so then that way it's not like you have a whole chunk of chive in your mouth when you go to eat the butter. So I'm going to put the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to rough chop these. For those of you guys that have ever thought of getting a glass cutting board, don't do it. I have one and it's horrible. I much prefer a wooden cutting board, but since it's Thanksgiving and I have every dish in the house dirty, then my wood one it's getting cleaned right now. So now that that's chopped up, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put those back in the bowl, and then I'm going to start with the garlic and I'm just gonna mince it. So now in the bowl I have my minced garlic, and I also have my chopped chives, and I have been softening 2 sticks of butter, so I'm going to stick that in there too as well. Now I use salted butter just because it makes it a little bit easier to not have to really salt your food once you have like the butter already salted. So it just makes it easier when you're trying to be quick and make a quick recipe, because you're just gonna then throw this into the pot and everything will be seasoned. So I'm gonna mix that up really good until it's nice and mushy. Okay guys, so I wish you had smell-o-vision because this smells amazing. Look at it, it's all nice and incorporated and it smells delicious. So all I'm going to do now is just take it and spoon it into little balls. I'm gonna take a cookie spooner ball and just drop it in there, and then I twist the top and then just tie it with a rubber band. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just like that. And just like that, you're gonna have a ton of little balls of garlic chive butter. Now the nice part about this is that you're gonna be able to use garlic too. Like if you guys have garlic like me that's starting to get a little bit on the edge because it's about 6-7 months old, then you can use the garlic in here, mince it up, and then we're gonna freeze it. So that will help preserve it too as well. So it's another way of preserving your garlic. So I'm just gonna put that in a freezer bag, and then I'm gonna get all the air out, and then I'm just gonna pop this whole thing in the freezer. After marking what it is, because I also have rosemary butter balls and parsley butter balls and dill butter balls, because this makes life so much easier when you just pop it out, put it on whatever you're cooking, which later today for Thanksgiving dinner, I will be making a lobster mashed potato, garlic chive butter mashed potatoes. Yeah. So I hope you guys are in your kitchens cooking and having a great time with your family. Happy Thanksgiving from Mr. Benson and I to you guys, and we will see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, really simple Thanksgiving. We have our cinnamon cranberry apple cider bourbon cocktail, and then we have turkey gravy, we have green bean casserole, we have some cornbread stuffing with turkey legs, cranberry, mashed potatoes with, it's a lobster garlic chive butter mashed potato, and then a challah bread. So very simple, but it's going to be delicious.